Hello and welcome to another CF Powerscript tutorial with me, Christian Rauchenwald. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the CF Multi Powerscript to add multiple pop-ups to the same funnel step in ClickFunnels. Now, as always, in order to get started, you will need to log into your CF Powerscripts account. And once there, from the dashboard, head to the Powerscript section and either add the script globally by clicking on Add New here, or like I'm doing, picking the funnel where you want to add it, and also picking the funnel step where you want to add it. And there, simply click on Add New, select the CF Multi Powerscript by clicking on it, and simply click on Add Script to add it to your funnel. Now this way, the logic for the CF Multi Powerscript is added to that specific funnel step, or if you edit it globally or on funnel level to the funnel or to all of your funnels at once. Now we still need to set up the pop-ups themselves within ClickFunnels, and in order to do that, you can click on the shortcut next to the funnel step here and open the page in the ClickFunnels page editor. Now in order to set up your pop-ups, you need to go to Pop-up and Show Pop-up, and within there you can define the content for multiple different pop-ups. So the settings for the general pop-up layout will stay the same, so the ones that you can edit when you click on Edit Pop-up Settings. And if you're using a exit intent pop-up, so when you turn the trigger on exit function on, the pop-up that you define as pop-up number 1 will serve as your exit intent pop-up. Now, in order to create different pop-up contents, you simply need to create different or multiple rows. So the blue elements within the page editor. And for each of them, go to the settings and click on the hashtag icon in the bottom right corner to open the CSS info, and make sure to change the title to CF-popup -1, 2, 3, and so on. Now, once you've changed that, you need to click on the update button to save it and just proceed with the next pop-up. So within this current row, you can simply add additional elements. So that would be an image in our pop-up 1, and let's say a bullet list in our pop-up 2, and a video in our pop-up number 3. Now, you can go ahead if you want to and hide pop-up 2 and 3, but you don't need to. So you can keep it like this. And also, if you need multiple different rows because you want to use different background colors, for example, you can also create multiple rows with the same pop-up ID. So now that I've copied this row, I'm just going to go to the settings of the copy. And there in the CSS info, make sure that it also says CF-popup -2. Pop-up to row 2, for example, and we're just going to change the background color to orange. Now, once that's done, click Save and close the pop-up to go to the main page layout. Now, on your main page, you will want to have different triggers for different pop-ups. So obviously, you'll have your pop-up 1 that serves as the page exit intent, but you'll also need some way for users to open the other different pop-ups. And for that purpose, I'm using different buttons here, but you can do the same with text links, and I'm going to show it to you in a second. So for the buttons, you would simply add a new button element by clicking Add New Element and selecting Button. And then within the button itself, you go to Set Action, and you set it to go to website URL, and you have to enter hashtag CF-popup and then the number of the pop-up content that should show. So in this case, it's CF-popup 1. For the second button, it's CF-popup 2. For the third button, it's CF-popup 3, and so on. Now, if you want to do the same with a text link, then you would simply write open pop-up or whatever text you want to use to trigger the pop-up, and you mark the text and you click on the hyperlink icon, and you do the same. You write hashtag CF-popup the number of the pop-up content that you want to show. So for example, pop-up 3, and you simply save your changes. Now, last but not least, there's one more thing that you need to do. You need to add another button that I already have here. So again, you just somewhere on your page, go Add New Element and pick the button element. And you set the button action here to open the pop-up. And then you just hide that button so it's not visible on the page itself. Now, when you save that funnel step, and we go to preview the page, you can see that when I try to leave the page, it shows us pop-up number 1. When I click on the open pop-up text link, it shows us pop-up number 3, just like we configured by setting the link to hashtag CF-popup -3. And when we use the buttons to open pop-up number 2, pop-up number 1 or pop-up number 3, you can see that it's doing the same. I'm going to refresh the page to quickly reset the page exit pop-up. And you can also see when I open pop-up number 2 and I close the pop-up and then I want to leave the page, it again switches back and shows us pop-up number 1. That's it. That's how easy you can add multiple pop-ups to your funnel steps in ClickFunnels thanks to CF Powerscript. And you can use it to show your visitors different information depending on which button and or text link they click on. Now, as always, if you have any questions whatsoever, make sure to take a look at our FAQ. And if you cannot find the answer there, use our contact form to reach out to us. Create a post within our CF Powerscript Facebook community, or if you're a member of our VIP plan, use the live chat within the Slack application that is available to you on all your devices. Thanks for watching, and as always, even more so, thanks for using CF Powerscripts. See you in one of our other videos. Till then, bye-bye.